everybody, I'm Alexis Surs and I'm a Doctor of Chiropractic student, and today we're going to be talking about calf raises. Calf raises will primarily target your gastrocnemius and your soleus muscles. These are the primary plantar flexors of your foot. The main benefits of this exercise are to increase muscular strength within the lower leg, improve balance and stability, and to increase stability and mobility of the ankle within the sagittal plane. Alright, so for our first progression, what we're going to do is something called a seated calf raise. This is going to primarily target your soleus muscle, and what I want you to do is either find a chair or a couch or some surface that you can sit on where your hips and your knees can remain in 90 degrees of flexion. I want you to have your feet roughly shoulder width apart, and then from here, keep spine neutral, tuck your chin, breathe and brace from your diaphragm, and then plant your feet into the ground firmly, into the short foot position with your first metatarsal head, your fifth metatarsal head, and both sides of your calcaneus firmly planted within the ground. And then from there, drive your heels up off the floor, hold for a breath cycle, and then slowly bring back down. And then do this until you get tired or you start to lose form. Some ways that we can progress this exercise is by increasing the number of sets, the number of reps, or by increasing weight. You can use any everyday at home object, or if you have any weights at home, place them right onto your lap and then do the same thing, maintain the same position, hold for a breath cycle, and slowly drive your heels up. Also, if you have access to a gym, they have seated calf raise machines, so as you build up strength, you can increase your weight. And then another thing you could do is to build a platform at home. You could use a plank, a stack of books like I'm about to use, or any other type of surface, and then just place them right onto the floor. Same position, spine neutral, feet firmly planted, or your forefoot firmly planted onto the surface, and then bring your heels a little bit lower than the platform, and then drive up. And what this will do is it'll increase the eccentric activity of your gastrocnemius and your soleus, and increase the stretch during the exercise. For this next progression, we're going to be doing the standing calf raise. This is going to be the weight-bearing version of the calf raise. This will primarily target your gastrocnemius muscle, and if you're still having trouble bearing full complete weight, what you can do is you can grab a chair. I'm just going to increase the height a little bit, or another surface that you can hold on to, and then you can move from there. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the weight-bearing version. So what I want you to do, stand shoulder width apart, drive your feet back into the ground with the base of your first and your fifth metatarsal heads planted firmly, and both sides of your heels directly on the ground. Go ahead, stand up spine neutral, shoulder blades tucked in your back pocket, breathe from your diaphragm and brace with your core. Tuck your chin, and then from there, drive your heels up from the ground, and then slowly lower back down. Now remember to hold for a full breath cycle at the top, and then slowly lower back down. And once again, do this until you start to get tired or you lose form. And then just so you can see from the side view what it should look like. And then slowly lower back down. As always, what you can do to progress this exercise is to increase the number of reps, the number of sets, or you could add weight. So you would just hold a weight right in front of you, same position, and then just drive your heels up, then back down. Another thing you could do is to do the same thing as the last exercise, and you can make a platform. I have the same stack of notebooks. You're just going to place them right on the floor. Same thing, same position. Keep your forefoot right on the platform. And then what you're going to do, just slowly drive your heels up. I want to be ready for this progression because I have limited ankle stability. So that's why I'm shaking a little bit. So you bring your heels down below the platform just a little bit to help increase the eccentric activity, and then drive up. So that was the basic progressions for the calf leg raise exercise. Of course, what you could do with any exercise is once you build up strength in both legs, you could switch to single leg variations, but that would have to be another video. But thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Special Agent Noodles also hopes you found this helpful, and we'll catch you next time.